Welcome to this technical guide on the LENOVO IDEPAD Gaming 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users experience an issue where their RAM isn't being recognized by the system. This can occur due to several reasons, such as improper seating, a faulty RAM stick, or even motherboard issues. If left unaddressed, this can lead to performance problems, system crashes, and an overall frustrating experience with your device. To resolve this, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger for safely prying open the device, and of course, your replacement RAM if needed. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Then, place it on a flat, static-free surface. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, starting from a corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the center of the motherboard. You should see the RAM stick seated in their slots. If your RAM isn't recognized, it might be due to a loose connection or a faulty module. To remove the RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the stick until it pops up. Then, carefully pull it out. If you are replacing it, simply align the new RAM with the slot and press down firmly until you hear a click, ensuring it's securely seated. During this process, be cautious with the screws, use the correct Phillips screwdriver and don't apply too much force to avoid stripping them. Also, remember to avoid touching any exposed circuitry to prevent static damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced or reseated the RAM, carefully replace the back panel of your laptop, ensuring all clips are secured and the screws are tightened without over-tightening. Now, reconnect your device and power it on. Check to see if the RAM is recognized in the system settings. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully resolved the issue. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that you handle your device with care and avoid overloading it with excessive applications that can strain your RAM. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also help keep your device running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.